This is from the Go Fest 2025, where Chicago's boldest young creators stepped up, showed out, and owned the mic, the stage, and the city of Chicago. Powered by True Star Media, this was more than an event. It was a declaration. We are here, we are creative, and we are the culture. From Southside Beach to the Westside Brilliance, the youth didn't just perform, they led. They produced. They built the stage with vision, sweat, and soul. Just raw talent, real stories, and unapologetic truth. Every vendor, every DJ set, every poem, every beat, crafted by teens who said, watch us build what the world told us we couldn't.
Hello, my name is Shayla, also known as Shayla G, and I have been working with the Go Fest since its inception in 2020. I've lived my hand